What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, and you see we back with another video, man. But as y'all boys can see, man, by the title and thumbnail, man, we did the front end conversion on my Jeep, bro. I finally did it, bro. And I put the SRT fog covers in, but I ain't put the lights in. I'm telling you, bro, I got this thing looking crazy right now. I ain't get the sensor yet, but everything else is in there, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all boys just the front bumper alone, bro. Like, son, you would think this just like 1 or 2, 3 different parts, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, the front bumper at least got like almost 15 parts, bro. Alone, bro, just for the front bumper, not even the hood, bro, just the front bumper, bro. So y'all gonna see, bro. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description for every part that I had bought. Websites that I got it from, bro. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, we got the hood on there too. As y'all can see, I debadged the sides of them, so both sides, as you can see, I kind of got the hood popped too, so y'all can see. Y'all don't be on my head, but I got the vents right there. You see, she clean on the hood, looking good. Let me set it alongside for right now. I kind of just want to show y'all boys, y'all see how she looking. It look pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It look pretty good. She just driving so casually. It look real good though, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section, bro. And I told y'all we're gonna work our way through it. As you see, I don't got the fender flares yet, but I'm gonna wind up getting the fender flares for it. And I debadged the Grand Cherokee on the side. So now it's like fully blacked out all over this thing. And I don't got the red, the grill pieces that I had, they don't fit. This whole grill part is a little smaller than the other one. But I guess cause you kinda got a whole another intake area. And as y'all can see, I ain't hit the lights for y'all, bro. I set up my lights too. So look at that. Look at the lights, man. We got a light show going on. I don't know. Wait, hold on, I gotta, my bad, y'all. I turned my brightness all the way down because I was messing with my lights earlier. I gotta go to the setting on my phone real quick. My bad, y'all, boys. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, y'all just let me know how it look. To me, bro, I love how the front bumper look, bro. I'm gonna put the link in the description, too, for all the parts. There you go, I had to turn the brightness up. But that's how it look. My light over there a little fidgety, but it's, you feel me, it's gonna do what it do. It's gonna do what it do. I ain't gonna lie, bro. But I can't even hold the camera right, bro. I'm trying to look. It looks so good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It looks so good, bro. This could be the thumbnail. Bro, it looks so good, bro. It looks so good, bro. And then, not only that, bro, I got something else coming that I ain't tell y'all boys. So look, bro, I know y'all probably mad at me for not uploading a video in 3 weeks, bro. But hit me out. When I'm about to show y'all, bro, y'all gonna be happy, bro. Look at this, bro. Look what I'm doing, bro. I might have to turn the flash on. You see my interior? It's black. So all I'm saying is, as you can see, I'm changing the interior, the whole interior on this thing. I got black, as you can see, I got black door panels all through it. I got black leather seats coming in, so I'm getting rid of these seats. If anybody needs some seats, just let me know. If not, I'm just hold them or sell them. But I'm getting rid of those seats in there, and I'm actually about to get 2 different, well, not 2, I'm getting a set of seats. They all gonna be black leather seats. Okay. My bad, y'all boys. They just had a little show or whatnot. That's why I had to. But my bad. I was saying I'm getting black leather seats. I'm gonna put them in the Jeep, bro. The interior is gonna be 1 of 1. The exterior already 1 of 1. Just wait till I get the interior set up, bro. But as you can see, I took off the Grand Cherokee off the side. Everything is debadged. it's looking good, bro. And in the inside, I'm getting the black interior. I already got the panels, the seats on their way. I don't know if I'm gonna do the center console and the roof and all that. I'm kind of cool with the black and tan look because it's kind of gonna be different. Like nobody got the black and tan in the Jeep. You see what I'm saying? Nobody got the black and tan in there. And once I get my leather seats, bro, it's gonna look even better, bro. Just trust me. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna make this video too long, bro. But I just wanted to show y'all boys, man. Your boy been working on a lot, man, with this truck, bro. We got the hood in. We got the front bumper in. We got everything, bro. As y'all can see, the hood is in. The front bumper is in. All we gotta do is start working on the sides. And then we eventually go engine swap. But I'm gonna show y'all boys the whole process, you feel me? Y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned, man. It's your boy Young J. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next video, gang.